What do you think about Google TV's home screen ads? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore the latest in tech and streaming. Today we're diving into something that's got Google TV users talking, those home screen ads. Are they too much or just part of the streaming experience? Let's find out. The Google TV home screen is designed to be your one-stop hub for everything entertainment. You've got personalized recommendations, trending movies, and even curated content just for you. Sounds great, right? But then there's the ads. Some are subtle, blended in with recommendations, but others, well, they're hard to miss at the top of the screen. There's a slider showcasing both recommended and sponsored content. And let's be honest, those sponsored ads sometimes feel more intrusive than helpful. But here's the twist. Google wants to know what you think about them. Recently, Google TV has been running a survey asking users about their experience with home screen ads. The question? Do you find the number of ads on the home screen acceptable? And you get to respond with options like strongly agree, neutral, or strongly disagree. Simple enough, right? This survey has been popping up randomly, and it recently caught attention when a Reddit user shared it. The debate reignited. Are these ads taking over our viewing experience? Now, here's where it gets interesting. Google TV originally focused on ads for movies and shows you can watch directly on the platform. But now, they've expanded into autoplaying video ads for cars, restaurants, and even video games that aren't available on Google TV. That's quite the shift. For some, this feels like too much. Others argue that ads are just part of the deal when it comes to streaming platforms. What do you think? Are these ads a deal breaker or do they add value to your experience? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are the ads on Google TV just fine or do they need a serious rethink? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.